Good morning, everybody. Trading again today. New York session with Apex Trader funding accounts. We have 17 accounts as always. We have taken some trades this morning. Some improvements has to be done. Again, a short there in gold, and you can see it right away here. But you can see as how I take too early my profit. Too early. Something I need to really get better, because the risk I was taking, anywhere closing above here, 2 contracts, I was risking around $260 maximum. I mean, I could have locked easily up to here, $316 of profit, and looked an average of $200. It's not bad, but definitely I could have done better. So I need to improve on holding these trades for a little bit longer for the next targets. This was the little target, took one off, but I could have as well held it there or move my stop loss to break even. But overall, say great morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Mohammed. And let's see what can we do in today's trading session. Let's move to first. Let's move to Nasdaq. Nasdaq has a huge resistance. All-time high is here, so a lot of people are shorting. All their stop loss is here above. Are we gonna tap the all-time highs before doing anything? Good chance we're gonna do it. So when we're gonna do it, I don't know, and we're gonna play upside only if we are like holding some certain levels. I need to look at right now at the hour chart here. What is the level? This is, you can see here weeks, week. So a good level is there, and we're gonna put it there on right now, somewhere here. That's a good level to look into. And we're gonna, it's true because it's true that we liquidate this low, but we didn't take these ones. So is it good enough for this to push above? We'll see. I'm gonna let M&Q tell me what's gonna do it before decide to take any actions around it. I'm trying to be more careful and patient as much as I can, so that I don't get faked out by useless trades that I don't want to take. Also here there is a lot of possibility here. It is as well trend line we're creating. We can come here and grab something for all these people shorting, putting their stop loss above here. Not an easy. We've grabbed these lows, but we didn't grab these ones. This one is coming from yesterday. It's gonna be interesting to see if this was enough. We didn't take any previous day low or high. Did you see this low and these highs on the days were not taken? So depending on that, it's good chance we're gonna run to one direction of this two. So we're gonna wait for it to give us just a little bit of more confirmation. Is it gonna break lower and start selling off? Then we can aim for these lows, or this is holding and we might look for longs and aim for these highs. Let's go to gold. Go to the 1 hour chart. Same things on gold. We didn't take any previous days high or low. No, sorry, we've taken it. What the heck am I saying? Well, that was MQ. So we are taking the previous day low there. We dumped as hell this morning. What the fuck am I saying? We dumped as hell this morning. We came lower, but this is 8 p.m. This is the aftermarket. Yeah, okay. So we dumped low, we are bouncing, but we didn't grab this low, guys. So I'm very interested on gold short, to be honest. I'm looking that there is this area that has been there before that can be our possibility to continue lower to the downside. Going to the 15-minute chart, and it's looking interesting. It's looking interesting in 18 seconds. Let's see how it evolves, because I'm liking this possibility to take a gold aggressive and give myself a stop loss around here as a hard stop loss and let it ride. I would like just a retest first because it's a bit aggressive. Market just opened, so if it gives a retest, I might look for short, guys. If it gives a retest. If it goes right away to the downside, as well right now MQ selling. I have an ice cream here because I eat spicy food. I need something cold. This is my brother cooking style. MQ just falling down, guys. MQ just falling down. Yeah, man, look at that NQ just freaking flying to the downside. That's bullshit. Does not even give you the possibility to take any short there. Crazy. I swear. Not easy to trade that. I'm looking for gold continuation to the downside. If we retest this area and we come back, it's really hard. Good luck, Mohammed. I'm looking for, it can be a little bit aggressive, but I'm gonna take for these guys long, this short. Hard stop loss will be above there. I'm trading mostly the 15-minute chart here. Stop loss $182 there on the highs. We're gonna aim for at least the next target here. NQ just bullshitting, guys. Short in gold, MGCZ5, December contract. I like that in the hour we wicked the previous red candle there. Yeah, so I'm liking this short. And if we get a closure, if it does not get here, but it gives a closure above the level, I will be out of it. I'm gonna call myself out. Let's see if it's gonna get me this short direction I'm looking for. Gold freaking MNQ freaking insane. Look at this MNQ, guys. How the heck? We're not, we said if it maybe closes below this area with a 5-minute candle, looking for shorts to these lows made sense. But something like that, just dropping as hell, it's crazy. Let's see this if this gold wants to sell off quick. Guys, gold during these last days, look at these moves. Crazy moves. This is during pre-market this morning. Crazy moves. Let NQ does what he wants to do. We're gonna leave it there. But unfortunately, we cannot take it. Cannot take the trade. I'm in gold short. Mostly just because we came down a lot. We came down a lot here. We bounced. It's true that I'm kind of aggressively shorting this freaking. Oh yeah, that's the 30 minutes. I'm aggressively quite short in this hour candle now that I see it. I see, because in my chart here I had the 30-minute chart. The 30-minute chart looked more interesting than the 1-hour chart. But we still have 30 minutes for this candle to close. Anything can happen, but it's definitely aggressive short here. Oh, look at this MNQ, guys. MNQ just. MQ was like, okay, I don't give a shit. Do you want to wait? Wait. Do you want to wait? Wait for this. Wait for it. I don't give a damn shit. Crazy. Gold might be. I didn't honestly look at the properly 1-hour candle there, so I might get screwed by it. But let's see, I give it a time. This is the resistance I'm looking for to reject. Yeah, man, that's... I leave it there, man. Too fast, man. Too fast. Too freaking fast. I might cut this in advance, guys. If I see that it's pushing strong, I will cut it out. I'm just looking how it wants to evolve. I shorted the 15 minutes. And we're gonna wait. If something else shows up, good, but might have to call it quick. And now my computer is blocked, okay. It's fighting that resistance. I'm shorting. I'm out, guys. I'm gonna call it out there. I did not see properly the 1 hour chart, to be honest. I didn't see properly the 1 hour chart. That was my mistake because I took it looking at the 30 minutes and I did not see the 1 hour that was ugly as hell. I was like, okay, but the 1 hour is pushing as hell. We have to wait. The 30 minutes looked a little bit more interesting, but neither that. Yeah, I think this was too much aggressive as a short. That's good. That's gonna be a good trade to analyze. That's great loss here. We cut it out, avoiding us $63 more of loss. NQ just. NQ went to the sky. I mean to the bottom. Bullshit, guys. An opportunity to enter there. Not at all. I don't think there was any chance to enter in that short. I mean, for my type of trading, at least. Very hard. Yeah, I mean, if we take it pre-market, yes. If we took it pre-market, yes. Unfortunately, I cannot trade in pre-market. But crazy downside there. And literally in 5 minutes, you will be down on the day. You took this trade up, even up to these lows here. You were out. Now we have taken the previous day's low. That was the previous day's low. Craziness. Can we aim to create some longs? Let's see, but we need to wait. And you nearly jumped at the open. Yeah, that's some gut you need there. Some courage to do it. A freaking open is always a mess. Oh, I'm happy that I cut myself out from that freaking trade in gold. $100 loss, $110 loss. Better than a 200 and something. Was it a A+ setup for you? Let's see how it wants to evolve, but wow. We have time to look for other trades. There is no rush. I've taken a little loss in gold. I'm happy that I managed it well. Yeah, I've done a mistake here, to be honest. Now that you're here, I went aggressive on the short, being below this level. For the downside, because we didn't take this previous low from this bounce. From this downside, we didn't take the previous low. So I was looking for these lows again. But the hour chart was, yeah, was was pushing. It was a bit too much maybe to look for this short against this, but I would say great management. 80, yeah. I cut myself before just looking at the chart was kind of too much aggressive above this level. The stop loss would have been here. I cut myself before. Yeah, the 30 minutes close bullish. That's true. That's true as well. That's something I did not realize too. I was like, oh, it took this previous after taking it, but I was still across to a strong bullish. Yeah, I like that. Yeah, for the moment, the fact that I'm cutting my loss quicker has given me, especially because well, the moment it breaks like a level that I'm having, and I see that is not making any more sense, I'm saving a lot of ticks of losses in the last days. So I've taken quite a few losses, but the losses were small all the time. Bearish direction set up at resistance with 15. Let me go back to where you're looking for. At NQ. Oh, NQ is getting interesting as well there. Oh, that's crazy NQ there. We're creating a huge 1 hour wick on the NQ chart. If this closes above here aggressively, I might take it along, huh? Because that hour is beautiful. That is how it's forming. We're taking nice lows. Wow, could have been as well even here, but that hour was quite red, even if it's not yet closed. You said 5,500, 262, 260, 50, 262. But it actually set up a resistance at, okay, broke it and failed to push higher. Entry is on that flag. This one. This one you mean? Or this one? Failed to push higher, come back. I'm liking that long idea. I mean, from here already was crazy good. I just need, if I can take it above here, I'm fine. If I take it here, then I will manage it here. That would be interesting. This 1 hour is gonna close in 15 minutes. We'll figure it out soon, guys. And this ice cream is finished. I need water as well. Oh, guys, I'm looking this. I'm looking at this long in NQ. I will be honest with you guys. Anywhere a closer below I will be out, and I would like to take these longs. 50 minutes candle is closing in 50 seconds, and it will. And this is the, yeah, this is the candle that will reverse at this level. That would be insane. This is a huge 50 minutes. 1 hour as well with a huge wick lower. I will put it there. If this is the candle that reverses right away in 30 seconds, I want to be in. Because that is a huge 50 minutes reversal and 1 hour. Yeah, I will be in, guys. It's going to take me in. Oh, it didn't. It didn't. It didn't take me in. Still, I'm liking it. I might buy it even here. 50 minutes close with huge wick. Yeah, 1 hour reversal there. 50 minutes for this hour candle to close. Everything can happen there. It's a bit aggressive. That was a huge bounce from. I'm gonna take it, guys. I'm long. I'm gonna give myself anywhere a closer lower. Ah, wow, that's getting it's gonna get me ugly there. But let's see. I give it the time, the space, and the cheese and the matter. Free contracts. It give me wiggle room to handle it for a long time. Let's see if I'm gonna get screwed by this. Wow, that's gonna. I just the moment I enter, this thing goes lower. I will give it the time. I guess that was too much aggressive. Let's see. We'll figure it out soon, guys. I'm betting on the fact that we had a huge week and bounce, huge V reversal there. Look at this massive bounce. Am I gonna get screwed? We'll figure it out soon, guys. We'll figure it out soon. Down $100. I'm gonna give myself, if this 5 minutes closure, how it closes is gonna be my decision of going out or not. So I'm gonna give it this 5 minutes, 2 more minutes. If it closes lower, I will be out. That was beautiful long here. Yeah, this was a beautiful long. You've done amazing here. If you want long here, it was a right choice. Not mine for the moment. Let's see, my friend, if I'm gonna get saved. One more minute. I will figure it out. And then if this does not happen, I'm gonna wait for this hour candle to close. Now with the last 40 seconds, and we're turning freaking green almost in this candle. Wow. Let's see. Especially if we close with this, I'm gonna put my stop loss here on below this wick. That's gonna be my management in this case for this trade. We're closing in 5 seconds. Yeah, I'm there with my stop loss is there. So right now I'm risking $140. We're gonna aim for these previous highs, 250. I honestly don't know what is my funded. I don't know how are the evaluation for my funded futures. Honestly, never use them. I know they are one of the top props, but I cannot really say anything about if it's complicated or easy, if the rules are hard or not. I really don't know, to be honest. $33 times. You didn't pass one? Would you DCA, dollar cost averaging? I don't think so. I'm trying to avoid to add to losing trades. I mean, it depends. The only reason I will add if we really be really more aggressive above, and I will be like, okay, we're closing above, especially in 10 minutes, I would say. The 30%, yeah, the consistency in evaluation, then you have to be more careful. I think the same is in topstep. You have 30% consistency. You don't have to be aggressive. Take your time. As well, long guy. We're getting the long side for the moment. Let's see how we're gonna be above. It would be nice to have a beautiful hour closure right now. That's crazy. It would be amazing. At these highs here, I will probably start to manage my trade, being like moving it to probably break even. If we can get there. That's huge. Guys, this is a huge push. Push, I said. This is huge liquidation. Can we skyrocket? Can we skyrocket? Okay. We're taking these highs there. I added one macro on this 50 minutes flip. That was a beautiful idea. That was that's Sean. I would say that was a beautiful idea because we freaking went down, come back and flipped. That was a beautiful idea of adding to the trade. I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even. I'm gonna just looking if it wants to retest before going higher because that's a big support. As much as I would love it, because the hour in 7 minutes is gonna close huge bullish. So that's why I'm like not still moving my stop loss to break even, just to give it the time if it wants to breathe. Because this hour, guys, look at this hour. It's sexy as hell. If we close strong like that, there's a good chance we're gonna go to the previous one here and this one and the next one. I just need to wait for these 6 freaking minutes, 40 seconds. That will sound the longest 6 minutes ever of my life. So I'm gonna give it the time for this to play. Let's see. Let's close this 5 minutes strong. Let's close this 5 minutes with a big bullish candle. It's fighting there. Look at this. How much fight in this area. We need that freaking push above right now. Especially we grabbed the huge levels here. We grabbed this low, this low. We didn't grab bullshit. We grabbed big levels. So if we want to grab big levels and wants to go back, grab big levels as well above. Okay, baby. Okay. That's what we want. I'm gonna sell one there. Did I sell everything? I'm an idiot. Did I sell everything? I thought I had free contract selected. What the heck, guys? I'm gonna get in with 2 contracts I wanted to enter. I mean, I entered with a better price, so that's fine. But freaking hell, I did a mistake there. Does not change anything. Stop loss in break even, it's somewhere here right now. I did a mistake. I entered I got out with 3 contracts. Ho fatto un errore, sono uscito con tutti I contratti, volevo uscire solo con uno. I did a mistake there. I translated for my friends. I'm gonna let it right now. In 5 minutes. It's coming back. It's coming back with a big, oh la la la. Maybe it was better to get out. I guess it was better just to get out. Market's still bullish as hell. Come on. Come on, market. Don't get me out. Don't take me out like that. Hold the line. How many points here was it? 5 points. How many points was this trade here? 26 points. Candle closing in 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Coming back down. It's not getting that nice as before the 1 hour candle. But let's see. For 3 minutes, anything can happen. And we can get a strong closure or not. I did a mistake there, by the way. I fucking knew it. I got stopped out so many times trading NQ. Well, it happened. What do you mean today? Because you said you want to trade it. Sean, great trade, great ad here, Sean. It was amazing. I'm gonna get probably stopped out in break even. It's happening. It's coming. This hour turning. Nokia. Hello, Nokia. Stopped out in break even, guys. There with the 2 remaining contracts. Great trade. Difficult management here. Great trade here. That's right now. It's getting interesting again. For what the heck happened there? Sorry, man. Hit like yeah, Jimmy, the like button there. We need that like button going hard. Yeah, got stop. I mean, great trade. Oh my god, did I move this freaking trade line? Great trade here, long. But the 1 hour is closing right now with a huge wick above. I'm gonna wait 2 minutes and 20 seconds. If something else appears that is interesting for me, that's what I was thinking, is that we can use these areas as a test. So that's why I was like, break even maybe was too aggressive, but we jumped freaking 26 points. We're gonna wait for this hour candle to close before taking anything else, guys. It's closing soon. Look at that. Huge week lower. We took all these lows, and I believe we have space to take this. But it's playing right now with some people, and it's playing with us. But we're gonna give it some time. We're gonna give it some time. Nokia, I don't know how to read Arabic. 1 hour close about 20 would be nice. 267 1 hour. Yes, I'm looking for that. Would be amazing, Sean. I'm looking for that in 1 minute and 20 seconds, and that will give me another entry. If we, for example, close right now, we came lower, I will enter again in this trade. I will enter again in this trade, to be honest. But yeah, look at this. Ooh, let's see. 1 minute. 1 more minute. Gold is just pushing higher. My NQ right now is blocked, but gold there, nothing interesting. I took out from myself from a loss there in gold. For the moment, we're just up $20, $26 on the account. I could have been, how much I was up $100, I think, here, but peace and love, doesn't matter. I was up, yeah, $80 more, so yeah, $100. That's ugly as hell. Wow, look, last 20 seconds. Are we gonna go even lower again? What the heck? Closing now. It closed slightly bearish. That sucks as hell. But still the support is holding there. Yeah, guys, not easy day. Not easy day. I will say that if we close in break even, it's a good things. Not an easy day. Yeah, that's the only things I was looking for. That was I was worried about moving my stop loss in break even. Are we gonna come back and hold this area as a level? Courage. Merci. A lot of choppiness for sure. A lot of choppiness. Look at that. Blah 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 blah. We've taken this low. There's a good chance we're gonna come back to take highs. When is gonna happen? How is gonna happen? Yeah, I don't know that. But now it's looking more juicy to the long side again. Yeah, that was I was worried about. That's something as well with Aaron. I need to go through more during this mentorship. Is the fact that we push, and this level that we're using as a confirmation we're like bullish can be retested. So moving the stop loss in break even can be too much aggressive if we come back. But in here we take the previous highs. This is 6:45 a.m. highs, but you know, we take it, we come back. Can we go? Our aim was this high. Our aim was that high there. Let's see how it evolves, but we wait. At least I want to see some 15 minutes closure above. Yeah, that's what I want to see. 15 minutes or 15 minutes, even 5 minutes will be again another closure, but even this 5 minutes can be another entry if I have to be like a little bit aggressive again, but a little bit aggressive. And instead, if we come back and close lower, ooh, that would suck. Who's long right now? Sean? Are you still long, or you took out your trade there? By the way, your things of adding again, honestly, was a great idea. Adding to this position when these things turn. Wow, that was beautiful, sexy as hell. Okay, this is. Oh, that was a quick. Wow. Okay, market. Play with the souls of these traders. play with their souls. Let's see how this 5 minutes comes out. But if it closes bullish, I might get in the trade. Only if we close strong. Wow, crazy. Instead, we're coming lower. $50 seconds, still playing around there. Ugh. What the heck? What the heck is that price action today, guys? Montpellier dommage. Montpellier dommage. Alors désolé, hein. Tu dois trade trader pour 8 jours plus. Hein? En français? My French sucks. You can see it. You can you trade it for 8 more trading days. Look at what you have done as a mistake. They will tell you, and try to avoid it or fix it. So we close lower, guys. Ha! Is this things coming lower again? Well, we're closing lower. I don't. That sucks, guys. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for the 15 minutes then. It's closing in 5 minutes. No, in 10 minutes it's closing. I need a closure above to take any longs. Yeah. Oh, no. How much was it with free contracts when I entered here? $150 I made there. Because I was allowing myself a huge stop loss depending on where it was gonna close. Then I moved it here at 144, still aiming that's 300 free, but right now is not doing it at all. So I'm happy to manage off and 50 minutes closure against me here as I retest my entry. Oh, okay, gotcha. Still long, only two macros. I'm happy to manage off and closure against me. Yeah, yeah, I like that. Gonna wait these things to give me a closure above, and I might look to re-enter long. I just need a 15 minutes closing above, but right now it does not look sexy as hell. We want this market to look sexy. We want this market to dance with us. We want the market to dance in a pole. What the heck have we done here? To dance in a pole with us. Market is my bitch. That's me. That's the market, and that's me throwing money away to the market. Can we get a closure above this level? This is right now holding. Yeah, I mean we are the we are the bitch of the market for sure, 100%. But yes, all of you and me. Guys, remember to leave a like to this video. We are 14-15 people watching, 6 likes. Nothing is hidden here. We show everything. PNL is lower of every of my P accounts, and they're the same for such a long time because I don't leverage that much. Keep my loss controlled. Survive until I make it. Fake it until you make it. Yeah, I'm still liking the long idea. I would love just a freaking nice closure above. Right now it's happening. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Let's see. I will give myself these lows as a stop loss. Really free. $1K. Beautiful, man. Yes, $1 million. $1 million. I'm gonna wait for this 5 minutes candle to close, guys. And I'm looking for longs. I like it. I still like this long idea. Still like this long idea. Yeah, I'm not gonna short gold at all. I'm not gonna short gold. Gold gave a huge 1 hour bullish candle as a closure. Yeah, I'm not gonna short that. I'm gonna let it do what he wants to do without me. 20 seconds. We're not closing as I wish. If this candle does not close as I desire, I'm gonna let it and wait for the 15 minutes because the 15 minutes is closing in 5 minutes. 7 seconds for, yeah, it's not closing as I would like. We're gonna wait for the 15 minutes, guys. Yeah, gold. Yeah, no, gold is not, for the moment, it's not for me, gold there. Gonna wait, in 5 minutes, the 50 minutes candle is gonna close. And we're gonna have a little bit more clarity on what maybe this market wants to do. Because right now, we grabbed these lows, and we're just fighting back. So my stop loss in break-even at the end now is working better. But I will let this 50 minutes come back. And even better, if it wants to come and grab these 15 minutes and turn back bullish, even better. But it's a bit hard day today. It's a hard day, difficult day, freaking difficult day. Seems the shorts are there coming in NQ. More, let's see, some short pressure is coming there in NQ. A lot of weeks, and the fact that we take this high now is coming to be. Does it wants to come back lower again? Who the freaking knows? Ha! Not an easy day to trade. I just like the idea that I've taken the long here. Could have done better taking the long here and aim for these highs. Mwah! Would have been amazing. Handle it anywhere. I would just say, like, if we have to look for a stop loss, this would have been the area of, like, okay, if it closes below this, if this 5 minutes closes below, call yourself out. This is hard stop loss, and you will aim for these highs. But yeah, too aggressive. Freaking hard, guys. Okay, NQ is just literally falling. It's just falling down, guys. There is nothing here to freaking go long. NQ is playing with your emotions. NQ is playing with your emotion, guys. Hmm. 2 more minutes. Let's see if this candle is gonna turn back to green and close. If it does that, amazing. If it closes red, I'm not that interested to take longs and to take shorts right now. Maybe a day of just a little scalp there. And I took 2 trades. I took as well a loss in gold. It's true. I forgot about that one. I took as well a loss here. I shorted aggressively. Now it's coming back to this area that I was looking for, and it's bouncing from it. It took the previous low here. Is can be an interesting possibility of continuation there in gold if you want to grab this previous hour here, these highs and these highs. I will be interesting. Oh, my MNQ just selling off. Happy that we were out, guys. Happy that we were out. NQ just selling off as hell. Really nice long at 210. Higher low. Will be that is will be as well the retest of that for the 5 minutes there closure. It would be wow, crazy. Yeah, for me, what is it? Yeah, wait, give me like a second, 15 minutes. This a little gold can be aggressive. That's fine. 15 minutes candle close there. Wow, look at that. Thank you. Whoa. Yeah, man. Oh my God. Oh my God. What the heck, man? Close 110. Yeah, we did good to close that. That's craziness. And we closed very nicely bearish. This thing can go lower here up to these lows. But wow, head and shoulder, like he said, Nick can be here and head and shoulder. Liquidity grab is the head. Let's see, guys. I like the idea of Nick there more than the idea of taking the lows. The lows has been that low was already taken a lot. I mean, three more minutes for this. I mean, 3 more minutes for this candle to close. But this guy, this gold is crazy. This NQ is crazy. And I was like looking at these long in gold, but yeah, it looks like more. We're moving. It's true that find support here. We might have to be more careful about this area than this area here. So yeah, not gonna take that. Crazy. Let's see MNQ. Nick said that looks beautiful. Like that looks on head and shoulder. Liquidity grab here. Crazy. Let's wait for this 5 minutes candle to close to see if we can grab something there. I like the idea of Nick. Mark, how the heck this market is moving? Insanity. It's crazy. Crazy. Yeah, this 5 minutes is just bounced 50 points. 40, yeah, almost 50, yeah, 50 points there it bounced. So that thank you candle it bounced 50 points. And right now I will be careful as well for this, not this one, for this gold. So if we close strong here, guys, I'm gonna take it. If we close in 1 minute and 17 seconds, we close, I will take this long in gold. Aim for these highs. Even this one, I will aim. Managing it. Yeah, I will take that one. I will take it. If we close in 1 minute, but we have to close in 1 minute first. And we have to close above this area. Let me put it in every chart. Yeah, it is there already. Okay. Crazy. Yeah, it's insanity. Oh yeah, look at how the heck. You know, this Nick, you said amazing, you know, right? This head and shoulder were created right now. The head is the liquidity grab because we've taken liquidity. So shoulder, head, the grabs liquidity, back shoulder, and continuation above. I mean, you can be aggressive and take an entry here for but you have to like be aggressive as well on managing it. 7 seconds. I like this more than gold. If I get a wick, I will get in. I'll get a wick there and I will get in, guys. Doesn't want my wick at 28.25. I just wanted a little bit more. That would be insane if it does not get me in that wick. I will give myself, yeah, I have myself room. Hard stop loss will be here. We're gonna still aim for above. Any closure of this 5 minutes below this level, it's out. We're out. The moment it comes back here above this resistance at 255, stop loss in break even. Let's see if I'm gonna get destroyed by this nick. Good chance it's gonna happen to me. Let me get destroyed by this head and shoulder. That's a bit too much aggressive, but let's see. We'll figure it out soon. We'll figure it out soon. If this candle closes below this area, I'm out and I'll call it a day, guys. I will be out and accept my loss of the day. Here is my hard stop loss. Any closure below, I'm out. We wait for this to evolve. Bounce, market, bounce. Take me out with you to the profit. Don't be nasty with me. Just bounce, market, bounce. Don't be nasty with me. Oh, market, don't be nasty with me. Be nice with me. Okay, we're getting nasty. We're getting nasty. We'll give it a little bit of time. Too much aggressive, I guess, on this head and shoulder. Concentration to the 100% brain function. Ooh, guys, I see. Okay, I'm gonna probably call it here. Let's see. 1 minute and 30. Oh my god. Let's think. I'm gonna call it, guys. It's looking ugly as hell. It's coming lower. $124 of stop loss. That not a good trade. This one, I would say. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this because this is not a good trade. Definitely this is not a good trade. Why it's not a good trade? It's just because we are coming lower. We didn't grab the liquidity, this one, to think for. It's a bit too much of yeah. Too early, yeah. That's, I mean, too early. Then I would say not good. I'm gonna take a screenshot. I need a screenshot. I need a screenshot of this trade. I'm gonna put a comment on it. Tried head and shoulder. Maybe too early. I'm gonna save it. Save it. Yeah, not good. Look at that. I avoided myself the full loss again. At least that's good. Guys, gold is getting the one interesting right now for short side, because on the 30 minutes, look at that. We came on this level, pushed, we faked out many people right now thinking about strong push. That's head and shoulder in, not head and shoulder, sorry. Now that I have it in my head, I mean like head and shoulder. But this gold is getting interesting for short side. I have 100, I'm taking too many trades. It would be too much aggressive to take another trade in gold. Too much aggressive. Even if right now the gold is looking juicy, to be honest, but it will be like another trade. And this one I will have it with stop loss and take profit and leave it there until it hits one of the two, because I cannot handle it anymore. But with this is getting a bit too many trades. Just 5 minutes ago, this already closed below the level. That could have been an interesting aggressive one. The 50 minutes reversal here, interesting as well. But right now that it's closing lower, I can use it with stop loss here and aim for these lows. We didn't take the lows there, but even these lows here. Yeah, these lows here, not even this one. The aggro can here. I'm looking for this gold to enter because it will be too many trades, but I still like it. I'm only $120 down on the day. I will give myself this loss, $240, and aiming for the lows here at 340. As I'm gonna do it, one contract only. So I know it's a bit too many trades, but this one is not gonna be handled anymore. This is gonna be aggressive stop loss at $230 and take profit at the lows. And this one is not gonna be touched as it is. Two more minutes and 20 seconds. I'll send DC. What do you mean DC? Washington DC? Washington? Discord. This mix is flying. Not like I want. I think I'm gonna call it like that, guys. 38 second closing. 30 minutes is closing in red, but this, yeah, I'm gonna be out of this. That's good, guys. I think it's a good day. To be honest, I could have done better. Yes, could have done better. Where I could have done better. This one, I'm fine of shorting against this. I'm fine with it. it's good. Probably, oh yeah, look, it's 15 seconds, 12 seconds. It's gonna turn. No. So I'm fine of shorting against this. That's I'm fine with this trade. MNQ, I could have done better by not going long. Gone long here, amazing. Amazing trade. This high smooth the stop loss and break even did very good. Gone long here, mistake. Just because it's not in my strategy. Head and shoulder, yes, as Nick said. But for my strategy, I just need some like, no, I mean, head and shoulder makes sense, but yeah, this long in the 5 minutes, hour coming lower down as hell. I would say I will give myself a good grade for accepting losses quick today. I accepted loss quick. This long could have been better, but it is what it is. We move on, and we just take the loss. And $123 loss can be recouped in one trade. That's the beauty of it. Yeah, that's okay. I'm honestly happy with my day. $123. One trade tomorrow, we recoup this and we make more. A good trade. Today there was nothing. The only things I think there was today and this first hour that was actually nice was this push above. Only this push above. That's all. The closure, the only things I think I have to ask as well for my next time, we faked out these highs, we came lower, could have shorted this 15 minutes candle. We are below this, we 5 minutes candle, we are below this level, we faked out these people here that were trying to short here the first time. They had the stop loss here, we faked them out. Can it go lower? Good chance. And honestly, I was thinking to do not aim for this loss anymore because of this loss took the previous one. But crazy market, right? It just freaking, what the heck? Look at this market, guys. It's insanity. Gold right now is selling as well off. The other entry should have been here, this 15 minutes closure. And if you want it to be aggressive, but yeah, I don't want to. If this candle was turning and was closing red and pushing me lower, I guess I would have entered, but like I was ready to do it. It did not happen. But the right idea of looking for shorts, I think, is the way to do it for today for gold as well until we take these lows. For the rest, I'm gonna look at Discord, my friend. For the rest, wish you the best, guys. I have to go back to work. I'm not a full-time trader. I'm a part-time trader. But soon will happen that I will be full-time. Love you guys. Have a beautiful day. And see you tomorrow. Live streaming, as always, at 9:30, New York session. We've done okay today. Could have been worse. Could have been better. But we improve and we learn. 17 accounts are there alive. And see you tomorrow.